I'm going to talk about a little something that I kind of thought was common knowledge at this point, but I suppose it's not based on some comments I've read. One of the first videos that I ever did was basically explaining that the STG-44 was not the basis for the AK-47. The M1 Garand is actually what inspired the AK. But now that I have an M1, I'm going to show you what's similar between these two and really drive home why this inspired that. First similarity we're going to talk about is the rotating bolt on the M1 and the AK platform. The way the bolt goes in a lockup, the two locking lugs there in that cam groove, you can see how it works on the M1. Not dissimilar with an AK. I mean, even down the little things like the charging handles look pretty similar. You have your recoil spring that sits within this long stroke gas piston here. Basically the same as an M1 Garand. The long stroke gas piston going over the recoil spring is just like this on an M1, but upside down.